Namaste dear children. As you all know that the festive season has started. So today I am going to teach you how to decorate a thali for some auspicious occasions.
So let's start with the activity. First we put a newspaper here so that the surface on which we are working doesn't become dirty. Then I take a plate which I need to decorate. Then I have some pulses which I'll be using for decoration, some rice, coconut oil, or you can use any other edible oil also. And we have red kumkum which we will be using as color, and we will be using some glue for pasting the rice and pulse on the plate, and we will be using this sellotape, and we will use a scissor for cutting this.
So let's begin with the process. Here I have taken a thali. If you want, you can take a plate as well. First you need to cover the space for the swastik with the help of this sellotape. So we are going to stick this sellotape in the form of swastik here first. After doing this, we will be applying this oil on the base of the plate. Make sure that you grease it well so that once we apply kumkum, it can be spread all over properly. After doing this, we will be taking kumkum and we will be applying kumkum in this way on the plate. Keep on spreading like this. You will not touch the surface with your fingers. You just have to apply kumkum like this only. You have to spread it like this. Now we will try to remove the sellotape safely from the plate. As you can see, from some of the places the kumkum has come out. If you cannot do it with your fingers, you can use a safety pin for removing the tape so that it doesn't spoil your surface which you have covered with kumkum. So this way I remove the sellotape first, and later I will be making the surface proper. After removing this sellotape, we will be using glue all over the empty space which we are going to cover with rice. You can use pulse also for covering this. So here I am applying Fevicol all over the empty space, that is in the form of swastik, and then I am going to apply the rice seeds in this part. After doing this, I am going to make some circles inside all the parts, and there I am going to paste some pulse. If you have some other beads available at home, you can paste those beads also for decorating. Now wherever kumkum didn't get applied or it got removed from my fingers, I'll apply some oil at those places and I'll sprinkle kumkum at those places one more time. If you have some laces available, you can decorate the plate with the lace also. or any other decorative material also you can use. And once you are done with the process, you can put a lighting lamp in the center of the plate and use it on the occasion of any festival. So decorate your plate or thali, click a beautiful picture and share it with me on shikha@zenix.net. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.